Guys, welcome back to Eat Indian channel, and today I'm going to share with you my delicious easy weekend lunch thali, which has some sweet and sour chickpeas. It has delicious Indian sabji called okra bhindi, really quick to make. We also have some cucumber raita, kheere ka raita, yogurt based dish. I have lentils here. This is chana dal lentil, but I've got so many lentil recipes that I can't wait to share with you. We've got Indian flat bread. This is roti, some pickle, and some plain boiled chickpeas as a side. So really easy to put together this thali, and I'm going to share these recipe details with you. So thank you for tuning in today, and let's get going. So in order to prepare this thali, we will start with okra dish, sliced okra bhindi. I got a big frozen pack. In these days of pandemic, I think frozen veggies are a great way to cook. So chopped okra, we are just going to run it through water. You can pat it dry with paper towel. About 500 grams here. We'll set this aside and we'll get our onions chopped up. So you can take 1 or 2 large onions, just peel and chop them in small bite-sized pieces. Now let's get going. So heat a pot, add in some oil. Once the oil is hot, we will flavor this oil with some spices. I'm adding cumin seeds, that's jeera. See how beautifully it's sizzling, and some mustard seeds. So we'll allow these seeds to sizzle for 30-ish seconds. Then we'll add in our chopped onions, give them a quick mix. We will also add in some ginger and garlic. You can use ginger garlic paste or simply chopped or grated ginger. About a tablespoon here lends a beautiful flavor to our dish, and of course garlic eases up the digestion process. So a tablespoon of garlic in, depending on the quantity you're cooking. Mix these ingredients well together with onions. We are going to add some turmeric, that's haldi for beautiful color, salt and paprika. You can also use chili powder. You can use green chilies here or cayenne pepper. Let's mix these spices along with onions, ginger, garlic, and we will allow onions to cook. Once there's some golden brown, you can see the color has changed. Masala base is getting ready. Now we'll add in our okra bhindi. Mix it well. Now a lot of times we are told to cook okra on open flame so that it doesn't become slimy. So that's something you can consider. If you cook it open flame, it does take a little longer, but you can also cover the pot and let it cook that way, up to you. All right, you can see that the bhindi has become a little soft. So when it's frozen, it cooks faster than the regular bhindi. That's what I found. We are finishing off by adding some garam masala. You can also use curry powder. So half a teaspoon of garam masala on top, and some black pepper. That's it. Your bhindi okra dish is ready. Quickly mix these spices and set the bhindi aside, or pour it in your plate, and we'll get some other things going. So let me know what you thought of this dish. Super easy, really delicious bhindi masala okra. Now I have here some yogurt in a bowl. Make sure that yogurt is well blended, doesn't have any chunks. Greek yogurt works really well, or if you know how to make it at home, that option is there. We are going to simply chop or grate a cucumber. So we've chopped the cucumber into 2 halves. We are going to grate this. Now you can take the skin off, or you can grate it just as it is. Once it's chopped, or grated, we will add it in the yogurt. We will add in some salt, pepper, chili powder if you want to make it a little spicy. That's it. So cucumber. Now sometimes people ask me, should we get the water of the cucumber out? You don't need to. You can just keep it as it is. This is super delicious, really easy to make. It's a great side, especially with sabjis. Can taste really good. All right, so I have here some black pepper I'm going to add on top. We will also add in some salt and chili powder. Again, everything is dependent on you, what kind of taste you prefer. You can skip the chili powder if you're giving it to the kids. Salt as per your taste. and your side is ready. So basically that's it guys. So your yogurt raita is ready. Cucumber raita, super yum. Give it a try. And a couple days ago I had shared with you recipe for sweet and sour chickpeas. So I've got chickpeas here, and you can make any lentils that you might have in your pantry. Nowadays we are not going out a lot, so use your pantry staples. And here your thali is ready. So we've got okra, we've got yogurt, we've got dal, we've got chole, pickle and roti. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good day.